we had a 35% chance of 1 inch. So we went in to start plowing. Just a little cleanup tonight. It's 10 o'clock at night. And we started getting pummeled. So I'm on my way with the backup loader. I ran home and got it. And I didn't have time to grab the GoPro. Would have been a great night to have it. But so much for getting some sleep tonight. So I'll shoot a few clips when I get there. I gotta get my defrosters working. Let's get this going. Just the way our winter's been going. Sorry for this grease smear on my windshield. Just the way our winter's been going. If it says there's any chance of snow, we're gonna get it. Nice having a backup loader in the heated shop, I'll tell you that. I had this pusher in the garage because I wanted to put new blades on it. I didn't have the right blades for it. This is the HD. I only had the LD blades. I thought I had them, but I didn't. So this pusher is on the very last micro measurements of its blades. And it's a brand new pusher, first season. So we don't want to run this through the blades and into the pusher. But sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. So here we go. I better get focused, so check in later. Well, things haven't gotten any better. I'm gonna go home and get some sleep while Troy keeps plowing, and then I'm gonna go relieve him. If we keep running 2 machines, we're not gonna have anybody left. We're buried. Isaac and Braden are at Meyer. So I'm going to be the guy that sleeps right now. It's 6 degrees Fahrenheit out. The temperature's dropping about a couple, 2 degrees an hour. My window wiper's all iced up. So this thing's going right in the heated shop. But yeah, not good. Yeah, not good. Well, it's 8 below 0. The power's out, so there's no parking lot lights. We got buried, so we're just digging out. Troy did a good job last night, keeping everything open, cleared. This lot's really nice. So we just got to move cart racks and hit some lanes and neaten some things up, but he was definitely working. It was about an 8-incher, and it came down fast and hard. So that's the update. It is 5 in the morning, and we're gonna get it all touched up. It's supposed to be sunny, cold and sunny, so we'll see. Well, it's strange being in these parking lots with no lights. They only have backup generators running the critical lights inside. We're getting near the end of this job. I think we got close to 8 inches. So we're just touching everything up. Got a little bit out back by the truck ramps to do. Dakota's doing a great job with the four-wheeler and the shovel. Yeah, we went in for a cleanup last night at, I came in about 8, but the plan was for 10. I wanted to get an early start. There was a 35% chance for 1 inch at 11 o'clock. It started snowing at 9, and it didn't stop. I went home at midnight to get some sleep while Troy took over, and it just, from 9 on, it just snowed like crazy. So that's what they call lake effect snow. It doesn't show up on the weather, it doesn't really show up on the radar until it happens, and then it just spools up and dumps on you. So good old lake effect snow. Welcome to the UP of Michigan. Well, I guess it happens all through Michigan, but we particularly seem to get hit hard by it. But we're ready for a break. Hopefully the sun comes up today. It's 9 below 0 right now. You can see it on my screen. There. So here we go. Well, the sun's coming out. The moon is up. 10 below, it's 11 below 0 now. But we are done, going home to get some breakfast. Yeehaw. We got piles everywhere. Okay. Well, the work's all done. The stores in town are all plowed out. The sun came out. We got all the farm driveways done. Stores are salted. It's below 0. Everything's inside. Hopefully we'll have a couple day break. Well, success.